Welcome. Today I will show you how to repair not working earpiece in iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. First we need to open the screen, remove two screws and heat up the screen, switch off the phone with a thin opener. Just try. I prepare it previous and open the screen. Now there is our speaker, so we have to unplug the screen. It will be easier to repair and solder. Now, using triangle screwdriver, two screws, metal shield, dismantle, unplug the battery, unplug the screen, remove this metal shield, 4 screws, and the last one. Unplug the flex cable, unplug the digitizer. Now we have 4 screws holding our speaker. And 2 Phillips screwdriver, and now I put it on the preheater. Then we will solder new speaker. Now we have to desolder using soldering iron. I set the temperature 300 degrees of Celsius. A little bit flux, Wharton, Now we have dismantled. Now I soldered. Now we have to assemble the phone and test it. Now I have assembled the metal shells, the screen, we can remove this. Then remove this sticker, assemble the screen, now only 2 screws to complete this tutorial. How to replace the ear speaker. I tested it and it worked now fine. Before this repair, there's no sound at all in this speaker. Thank you for your attention and until the next time.